Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set automatic game profile switching on Logitech G316 X keyboard. So first of all, you're gonna have to connect your keyboard to your PC and install the software by Logitech called G Hub. We also have a separate video on how to do that, and once you are done, you're gonna have to open the main page of the software of this application. Now let's quickly switch to the games tab at the top, and you're gonna have to scan your computer for games. You can easily do that by clicking the icon that you can find at the top of this window. In my case, I have this icon right here. After that, we're gonna have to go back to Devices tab, select our keyboard. In the top right corner, let's expand the list and select Manage Profiles. Now here we want to enable profile switching, so make sure that this checkbox is checked. And after that, we're gonna have to click Add Games and Apps in the top right corner. Now since we have already scanned our computer for games, you should be able to see your games right here. So hit the checkbox next to your game, and if you don't see it here, you can click Browse and find your game manually. Click Add. Okay, and now we have this custom profile. So we don't have to do anything here. Of course, you can add your macros, you can set your settings, etc. And once you're done, you can return back to Devices tab, then go back to your keyboard. Now make sure to select your game profile here, and now we can customize our keyboard to our own preference. In my case, I just want to show you how it works, so I'm gonna select fixed color, and I'm gonna set it to something noticeable. Let's say orange. Let's set it to orange like this. Okay, now let's switch back to our main profile. And now in order to see that it works, we're gonna have to go back, select games, and try to run a game. Let's see what it does. Okay, so the game is starting, and the profile of our keyboard immediately switches and it becomes orange, and it starts glowing orange. Okay, now I'm not gonna play this game right now. Just wanted to show you. And once we close the game, our profile has to switch back to the default one. In case of this particular game, it's kind of tricky to actually get it to shut down at any moment. So let's give it a second. Okay, so the game is switched off. But as you can see, our profiles is still there. So unfortunately we're gonna have to switch back manually. I'm not sure if it was the case the last time I tried to do this, but yeah, that's basically what we can do on this keyboard. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.